Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a towel that is going to wrap you in cozy softness, then I want to show you these amazing towels. This is a set of towels from MAGGEA. There are 8 pieces to this. There are 2 oversized bath sheets, there are 2 hand towels, and there are 4 washcloths. And I just want to show you these. Look at this amazing texture. So these are fleece microfiber towels. It is so soft. So imagine your favorite throw fuzzy blanket that you love to wrap up in. Well, this is it, but in towel form, and it is absolutely amazing. So check out the size of these bath sheets. They are absolutely enormous. I mean, look at this. You can totally wrap up in coziness after your shower, and it just feels incredible. So what I love about these towels is that they are so soft and really gentle on your skin. So that microfiber is a little bit less harsh than a traditional towel. So it's great on your skin and it's great on your hair to help prevent breakage. So I just am in love with these incredible towels. I also love that there is a loop on these towels so you can hang them up if you have hooks instead of a towel bar. So that's a really nice touch as well. So these towels are very generously sized. Even the hand towels are really nicely sized, and I actually have been using them to dry my hair, so that is an option for those. And here are the washcloths. They are also very nice size. So if you are looking for the most ultra soft and cozy towel set that I have ever used, then I would definitely check out these ones from MAGGEA. I absolutely love them. They are so soft, so squishy. You're gonna feel super pampered when you get out of the shower and wrap up in one of these, and that's my point of view.